Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your headphones automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, I recommend you to restart your audio player. Let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud, just remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for this application and update if you haven't. Next step, if the previous one didn't help you, is to perform a factory reset. Firstly, we need to remove them from the phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click Forget this device line or Forget device or Unpair or Remove, it depends on the phone. And Forget device. Now, these headphones enter to pink mode automatically, of course if your headphones turn on. And you know it by the LED light what blinking red and blue. Now, you need to press at the same time volume control button, so volume up and volume down. And you need to press and hold until the LED light turns off. So let's do this. Here we go. Now we need to turn on them, but there is a problem. I don't know is that only for my headphones or for this model. Now I'm trying to turn on them, but I cannot. The funniest that this LED light works, but in other controls not. Amazing. So the solution is to connect them to the power. Now you see the red LED light. You can remove this cable and now we can turn on them. After that, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have Refresh button. Tap at this button. And there you will see your headphones at the device list, tap on them. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!